Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a loyalty card on Instacart so you can get a store discounts while shopping. First, open the Instacart app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within the home page, tap on the profile icon given at the top right corner. This will open a screen with different options and sections. Now within the savings sections, you will see different options like credit promos and gift cards, add loyalty cards, and lastly try Instacart Plus for free. Go ahead and tap on add loyalty cards. This will redirect you to the loyalty card screen where you will see a list of all the available store loyalty programs. You can scroll through the list or look for the specific store that you want. Once you find the store, you can just simply tap on it. This will open the selected store loyalty card screen. Each store looks different here. Some may ask you to enter a credit card number while other may ask for phone number as well as show different options. Just follow the on-screen instruction carefully and enter the required details. If the information you enter is valid, the loyalty card will be added successfully and you can start seeing the store discounts applied automatically when you shop at that shop on Instacart. But if the details are not valid, the card won't be added. For example, in my case, the loyalty card wasn't added because the details were invalid, but once you enter the correct information, it should work without any issues. And that's it. Adding a loyalty card on Instacart is quick and can help you save money while shopping. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.